Hey guys, hope you guys are well. So we're checking out Bitcoin right now on a logarithmic regression chart, and I've kept it simple, but I have jotted in a few things, some very key data points, and some of you might have already recognized, some of you Bitcoin, geeks out there, and the guys that really have been in here for a while, you might recognize these dates: July 16, 2016, May 2020, April 2024 is a bit of a hint. But really, we're looking at in this video just 5 things to be so excited about for cryptocurrency in the next coming year. And I think we've really got a lot of cool stuff that is happening. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and stick around. And we're going to kind of have a little look at what's going on, because to be fair, there's not really a lot of time left. Technically, we're around here of the previous cycle. You could say that we are now also potentially around this area here. So I think Bitcoin has indeed found the bottom. I don't think we're going to see that flash back down to $16,000. I think we are seeing Bitcoin now at its fair value. This is the fair value of Bitcoin, 27k, and I don't think you're going to really get much lower again. So 5 reasons to be excited for cryptocurrency in 2024. Let's just get through it quickly. I don't want to talk too much about it, but first one is Bitcoin spot ETF approval on the horizon, say VanEck and Bitwise leaders. The SEC is starting to soften its stance on crypto ETF. So of course this is bullish, so bullish for crypto environment, more bullish than most actually anticipate. In an interview yesterday with CNBC, Jan Van E, CEO of investment firm VanEck, said he thinks in early 2024, we might see a spot product get the green light from the Securities and SEC, sharing a similar outlook. Matt Hoogan, Chief Investment Officer of crypto investment firm Bitwise, said in an interview on CNBC yesterday that he expects we'll see a spot Bitcoin ETF this calendar year, as you can see right here by this tweet. So this is interesting. The SEC has thus far denied over a dozen applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs, citing concerns around volatility, liquidity, and the potential for manipulation. However, the recent approval of futures-based Bitcoin ETFs from firms like VanEck and ProShares, combined with the Grayscale decision, suggests that the agency may be warming up to the idea. And you can see right at the bottom, the approval of a Bitcoin spot BTF would allow mainstream US investors easy access to direct Bitcoin exposure through normal brokerage accounts for the first time. And that is very bullish. Other major financial firms like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Invesco also have spot Bitcoin ETF applications pending. So there's a lot of ETFs pending right now, guys. Reason number 2, Fed will start cutting interest rates in 2024 now that the tightening cycle has run its course. Economists say the Federal Reserve is done raising rates. Apparently, interest rates will no longer be going up, and we're likely going to see a cut by roughly 1 percentage point next year, according to chief economist. How the fuck do you say that? Economists? As some of the North America's large banks, while the US will probably dodge a recession, economic growth looks set to slow markedly in the coming quarters, pushing up unemployment while reducing inflation, the latest forecast from the American Bankers Association's Economic Advisory Committee shows. So this could be effectively quite nice, for the overall economy, the overall sentiment in the economy, the disposable income for people. Things should become more affordable. Hopefully we can see inflation drop more and more. There's another thing that's going to happen next year. So, sorry guys, it's really late here. I'm actually tired. I shouldn't have made this video, but for you guys, I can't help myself but do it. Treasury market liquidity may not improve under 2024 buyback plan. So there is a buyback plan in place, guys, which allows companies to buy back shares. And this is something that is effectively going to happen. The US Treasury's plan for a 2024 regular buyback program to help support liquidity in the government debt market is drawing doubts from at least one important player. So someone's fudding about that, but I effectively think this could be quite good because it's effectively stimulus money. And we kind of know what happened last time with the stimulus checks and how that got Bitcoin moving during the sort of COVID period. was pretty wild. So we could really be setting up for something outrageous in 2024, and I think 2025 will be the massive bull run. So that's reason number 3. Now how about reason number 4, everybody? One that is just, impeccable. This is something that will create and augment a massive run, a massive rush in the market. So Bitcoin halving countdown, 211 days. The estimation is 3rd of May 2024. Woo! Reward drop ETA date not far away now. Now, looking historically, previous halvings, you can see as soon as those halvings commence, you see 365 day of a bull run on the first cycle. 2016 we saw 546 days. The 2020 halving we saw 539 days of bullish price action. So effectively you're getting around, if you look at the red and orange zones, they are your boring months of downtrend and sideways, but then you get that 500-day blip of craziness in the market. So that's what I'm really hoping to see for the crypto bull run next year, that we start to see an uptrend. I don't think we'll break an all-time high super quick, but it could easily happen. Once things get moving, they get moving very, very quickly. So very, very excited. What else? Bitcoin, this is reason number 5, by the way, guys. Bitcoin is on the ballot in 2024. A series of Bitcoin related statements and policy announcements show how politicians are paying greater attention to crypto this campaign season. There's going to be a re-election in 2024, so it could turn some massive players who have influence over crypto regulations, policies, and all that kind of stuff. So fingers crossed we will see for the first time in history, Bitcoin and the crypto sector take a pivotal role in the US presidential election. So this is also important as well. A lot can change in 2024 for both good and bad, but I'm optimistic on the space, and I just think it's going to keep on getting better and better. What else can we look at? Looking at today, if we look at this 200-week moving average heat map, we're in the purple section right now, so you can actually see that we're on the 200-week moving average, and every time historically Bitcoin is floating on that 200-week moving average, we typically see a pump to the upside for Bitcoin. So I'd really like to see some positive price trajectory here for Bitcoin. It'd be really, really nice to see it. If you're accumulating at these levels, I would say that you are quite a smart person. I don't think we're going to see much of a downtrend from here, and honestly, just buying the purple, buying the pink, sell in the yellow, sell in the red, sell in the orange when you're overextended on this 200-week moving average. So right now it's a dollar cost average market. It's a buying Bitcoin market, and we just got to hodl. We just got to be patient. That's all there is to it. See, we're in also on the logarithmic rainbow chart. We're in the dark blue ribbon. Light blue ribbon was a fire sale. That's like crazy to get in that fire sale in that dark blue region. But where we are now is still technically a buy zone. And so Elio Trades has also spotted this one. 2024, so many bullish catalysts for Bitcoin, being spot ETF, being rate cuts, being US debt buybacks, being the election year, and of course the halving as well. So there's just so much to look forward to in 2024, the mainstream adoption for this. So going back to this chart, we can conclude with what could happen. And I suppose that makes me think that we could see Bitcoin, kind of just surf around here a little bit more, maybe get another retest of 31.5. But I think 31.5 is going to be that major breaking point. When we break through 31.5, which is struggling to at the moment, I just think something insane is going to happen, man. I think I'll be eating steak every day, no longer on beans and toast. Look at this. We got to break through this freaking resistance, right? Can you see the importance of that? Look back in time at the support and resistance. This is going to be crazy. If we can break through 31.5, we can surf all the way up eventually to big numbers like $115,000, maybe even more. Who knows what the future holds for us? All I know is I feel very bullish. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Check out the Jacob Crypto Clan down below. We've got over 18,000 members in there. And if you want to get your hands on some crypto signals, we have over 600 plus crypto trading signals in the Discord down below. We've only got 2 slots for the Crypto Legend package remaining. So if you like the look of those, please do, check in, come say hi. We've made them affordable for everybody, and just thanks so much for being here. I ask for one thing and one thing only if you are new here, and that is to smash that subscribe button. Give the video a like. We are making videos in fatigued mindset for you guys, trying to deliver content around the clock all day long, every day, hopefully forever if possible, right? So let's see what could happen, and let's all try and build, you know, unimaginable wealth together and respect the hustle, and not try to get rich tomorrow, but build a plan that allows us to, you know, hopefully get rich in the next decade or two. See you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye for now.